right, we've got the Orion HCCA 11,000.1D on the test bench. All right, it is wired to 0.5 ohms on these two regular HCCA 15s. They are dual 2 ohm voice coil woofers, and we have all the voice coils in parallel right here on our distribution blocks. We have 8 banks of excess power capacitors. These are the 2.7 volt 3000 farad capacitors, banks of 6, for a total of 4,000 farads of capacitance. Alright, right now we're at 16 volts. We'll give you 2 burps, one at volume 47 and will be clean. And we'll charge it back up and hit volume 48, which will go into clipping. Alright, 16 volts. Track 60 is 60 hertz. Volume 47 is going to be clean. Here we go. So 13,612 watts. There's your numbers, your volts and your amps coming out of the amplifier. 0.9 on the final impedance on the burp. 13,612 watts out of this 11K. Let us charge it back up to 16 volts and see what we can do. Let's see if we can break 14,000 watts going into clipping. Alright, so we're down to about 20 amperes of current going in. That means we're topped off. Alright, so we're down right at 16 volts. Term lab is set. Track 60, volume 48, which will take us into clipping. See it squared off. Oh yeah, 14,050 watts. There's your numbers. 0.9 ohm on the burp. 14,050 watts. That is your Orion HCCA 11,000.1D.